Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna embroider this cute cat and let us see how. Starting from the paws, I'm just filling it up with the satin stitch from one side to another, and just make sure it is close to each other so that none of the fabric is going to show up. Bring out your needle and push it inside over the other side so that it completes in one single go. So with this I have done all the paws, and now it's time for the ears. I'm just making same stitch but in a different angle so that it completes that area. For his head part, just making the satin stitch for the hair and patches. Make sure you bring out all of the thread, otherwise you might lose some at the behind of the hoop. You can see how nice it's coming up, and with this I'm just making same way, filling up all the patches of his body and tail. Now it's time for whole of his body thing, his furs, and for that I'm just making the stem stitch for the outline, or you can even use the back stitches, filling up the outer lines, the areas. Filling up the ear with the satin stitch completely and closed to each other. Now it's time for the face inside, and for filling it up I'm using the back stitch. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below if you haven't till now, and hit the bell icon too. Also, if you are enjoying and learning something from this video, make sure you share it with your friends too. You can see how nicely it is coming up together and giving a nice fur effect. You can see how nicely it is coming up, and I will take a break from the camera and will come back when it's done. So you can see how nicely it is looking after it is completed in all his body and tail too. So just completing and finishing the thing with the black thread and just making the outlines for the paws. For his eyes I'm making a straight loop stitch like this, decorating his hair and making the eyelids in a similar way. Let's filling up the nose and the mouth. And repeat the same with another eye. I hope you enjoyed the thing with me today, and if yes, make sure you hit the subscribe button and be here with me for next more video updates.